From the sound of the Horsehead Nebula to Ganymede, these are the most scary space sounds ever recorded. The Orion Nebula, a colossal cloud of gas and dust located 1,300 light-years from Earth, is where stars come to life. And here's what it sounds like. The Helix Nebula, just half as far as the Orion Nebula at 655 light-years away in Aquarius, has been turned into sound. And guess what that sounds like? Pulsars are spinning stars that emit beams of radiation when they rotate, and they also sound incredibly scary. Just like our Milky Way, there's a galaxy that's about 100,000 light-years wide, named Hoag's object. And guess what? Scientists have actually turned their data into sound. When NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft went through interstellar space, it experienced some vibrations, and they sounded like this when converted into sound. When two black holes come closer, they start to do a spiral dance. Over time, they collide and merge into one massive black hole that sounds like tossing a stone into water. In 1987, a massive star exploded in the Large Magellanic Cloud, creating SuperNova 1987A, basically the universe's loudest mic drop. When two neutron stars crash into each other, they sound like the universe's version of a car crash, but way cooler. Quasars are fueled by gigantic black holes consuming everything around them, releasing incredible energy and light. But they're not just about the glow. They make sounds that feel like the universe itself is crying out. This is the voice of Jupiter, One of NASA's spacecraft landed on the planet and picked up some electromagnetic waves. When they turned these waves into sound, it was like the planet was trying to drop its own mixtape. We've listened to Jupiter, but Mars has its own story. Phobos, the doomed moon. Phobos orbits dangerously close to Mars, so close that the planet's gravity is literally tearing it apart, causing deep cracks on its surface. Here's what it sounds like. This is the Horsehead Nebula, a giant cloud of gas and dust in Orion that looks like a horse's head and is basically a moody masterpiece of space. Sibling of Phobos, smaller in size and further from Mars, Deimos glides through space like a quiet ghost. But don't let its silence fool you, it hides a sense of mystery. Saturn's largest and most mysterious moon, Titan, you wouldn't believe the sounds that it makes. After Titan, let's move to Saturn, which is famous for its rings. But these rings aren't just visibly stunning, they produce a mechanical-like sound. From Saturn's rings to the Eskimo Nebula, a haunting reminder of a dying star's last moments in the emptiness of space, captured by NASA's Hubble telescope. The light was transformed into sound. The result was hollow tones that echo like distant cries. NASA's Galileo spacecraft picked up some unusual electromagnetic waves coming from Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, and turned them into sound.